How do I zoom out? Hmm? What is that?
You come get them.
Sleep over again. Steady with a cushion. Yeah. When we came back. I mean, I left.
Yeah, and then we came back. Yeah. That's it.
Surprise. Dito po. Ay, yeah.
Okay. She put him up to the care with him.
That looks right now, yeah? That looks right now, yeah? Give it up, give it up.
I'll send him there. Give your kappan akka.
Huh?
Give your kappan. Huh?
Enter.
Hard. And I got kappan.
Reaction.
Ito ka po yung task na. Oh, still on.
Packet. Pick up blanket.
Is it wrong?
Pick up blanket. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it can fit two. It's a two-person's tent, but mommy said it's only for her, so I cannot sleep in here, I guess.
Betty, tell me what they need, Papa. All of it here. You said, who's your fan? This is Mars. It's a funny long one. Who's that? And the sleeping bag. Mars, come on, you know? Share with other boats. What's this? Go put on that. It's okay to get this.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Now with Derek and Parag and Mama Kit Fish. She's preparing the food. Hey, Gary. Hah? मैं की आप से परी I'm gonna back up here so I can. Hey.
Container with the lid.
Oxtail. Close them up.
What's that? What are you trying to cook?
I'm just cooking some beef,
Oh.
but I'm gonna try to put a lot of water so it's more like a soup. And oxtail.
Oh. Let me know. Anything I can help?
Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah, I got this. Thank you. You relax. It's our weekend, so we relax.
I'm
Enjoy the
telling you.
food.
Nah. We're here to, we're here. Man, I'm telling you, bro, I hate stuck in the traffic, man.
Oh man, that traffic today was bad.
Started all the way from Tacoma.
Yep.
All the way to Olympia. Yeah, Kane's right. It's Friday. Everybody get out for work, try to rush home.
Yeah. Yep. After that, it was soup. It was soup with oxtail. It's on a roll. Sorry, krurar pabuta. Ye. Efet. Ikaw ka Robot spot. Ari marsipagin. Okay.
Over there! Right there. I checked it. Oh, let's check. What are you even talking about? What? You.
Where's Muna?
Try to keep my eyes on this guy still. He's recipe right here. He's hiding over here and Mickey's
Nothing fancy, man. Nothing fancy. It's just. Good. Thin cut cake.
Aí, mano, anything. Just Saturday. I just say they got it. You are from them. Huh? That's Saturday. Iya. Tapos sekarang bukan Saturday patut. Boleh pernah. Betul-betul dia tu tiket ni. Iya.
Really? Short po.
Dua cakap pecah duit. Benih. Mari kita turunkan. Deve tekan lagi kukus oh. Donuts.
Donuts.
Donuts ano tem isso?
May donuts in soup.
Orang sih, dia sering tu negara rasu, betul pasal tu.
I wish.
I don't mind saying I roll out of bed and I roll up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me become? I make some coffee and a plan, and I decide on oats and eggs. Blow my cares away. Ooh, prepares me for the things that come. Yeah, beautiful morning, keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning, it's the natural feeling that will make it through. I have barely begun moving as I am out through seas unknown. Don't break no promises, sing in a key that your body believes. Ooh, I'm making my way out of the city. I need more time in the garden. Beautiful morning, keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning, it's the natural feeling that you make it through.
Oh, really? You did?
It's all I need to hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's all I do to hold on, hold on, hold on. And it's all I do to hold on. You know I hold on, hold on. Ooh, that's all I do to hold on.
Lead me through the deep valleys, through the coldest of nights. Make the way clear and straight to the dawn.
Thank you.
Little dark coffee right there.
Lead me to the still waters, flowing my feet to peace, where the shadows hold no dangers and I feast my troubles cease. It's a long way home,
Strong coffee right there.
but I've got to go.
Cool coffee putih kan? Putih.
Let my heart sing
Aku teh kali
of
ni.
your faithfulness and love.
Yeah, me pipi, ewe.
Sing your praise all my days and all my soul. There's not time enough. It's a narrow road, but I'm bound to go. I
Yeah,
want to
coffee.
see your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go. I want to see your face, my Lord. It's a
Time to go eat now. Welcome back to another video. Or welcome back to another day.
your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go. I want to see your face, my Lord.
I don't want fried rice. I want rice.
It is what it is, bro. It is what it is.
Hey, jy was dit daar? Breakfast. Hier wat hy was daar. Akra sugaya.
I'm gonna save
Kyk.
Breakfast is served. Neto, you gotta.
Kyk waar. Ter woon.
Your name not visitor. Daddy. Pastor Charles Erretexi Sedario Wicheffer Puerto Camp. Rasari Cap. Gay. Yeah, sige surf. I was not happy at Tonari tennis.
Listen, here, your sweater. Content, okay? This someone. Come here. No, but that's not called puppy. Hey, it's not football for. Oh, he's faking shit. Is that a walker? Oh.
Ito. Oh.
Yeah, that's what you would
Meto, compré nomor iki. Ya?
내가 센터 아주 너무 뜨게.
Bicho para sa boy. Mira rai hap. Aqui a vai tare mo aqui. Vectaro. Ja, food.
Made in Cebu.
Ja, made in Cebu ke. Ja, food. Westport. We're gonna go get fish. Fish. Oh. Life grab. Hey, you guys have tuna?
That's for right there. All right, thanks.
Hi, do you have tuna?
I don't, unless you have an order pickup.
No.
I have my guys putting the last of my tuna for orders for tomorrow pickup.
You
I'm
know.
hoping I have another boat coming in. I'm supposed to have another boat come in late tonight or tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And this is not going to open today. But my next boat's going out on Monday. It should be in Wednesday or Thursday.
Do you know anywhere else we can get tuna around here?
You would just have to go up and down. Sammy, do you know any other boats that have selling off their tuna off their boats right now, or Josh?
There's
Float 9? There's Float 9 and Float 21.
Float 9 and 21?
Well, I heard that Float 9 is like the boat tonight right now. Who's 21? Is that the Daystar? No, it's a lady. Who's a Daystar? I saw his big sign on the side of the road on Montesino Street.
I'm not sure. He's a bigger boat though, but I know Sarah. I believe she's in.
Sarah, isn't she that way?
I think she's that way.
So I think we should go up and down the docks and
Okay.
look for big tuna signs.
All right.
I'm so sorry I have
That's
to
all right.
sell it to you.
All right, thank you. We're getting fish. Trying to get fish. Abagor. Jarai. Awa. Cek tiu attawa cek. Tayo crew.
I already told.
Ini rabu tekuk.
You did it figure. Wait, what? How come it's like over here? It's this. Too fast.
What is that for?
Zane, come here because this car is gonna...
Our puputay. Come aqui. Oh, you're gonna cook? That's good. How do you feel it? Oh, you already did?
Where's your potato?
The girls need to learn how to cook. So call the girls. Right? Now somebody's behind the camera trying to check out what's going on.
It's you standing there eating bread.
Huh?
It's you
You see
standing
me
there
eating
eating
bread? Huh? Right, there's a lot of things going on right now. Boys on getting the barbecue ready, marinating, and then right on the side, Lay is getting the plantain ready to be cooked up, and then on my right, more getting the fish ready. Yep, and then furthermore, more people on the committee, and then we got girls on the side setting up the grill, and then peeling the potatoes. A lot of things going on. Okay, chef. Cake. Let's see. Ooh. Biar kera, Ifa.
Dipende cara é por capuz, freira capuz. Itu cara Carlo ni. Lei, aru ko nit mau sila pula lulu. Ah, ni ya kana.
You guys are also twinning.
We're what?
Twinning colors.
I'm gonna do a sample of the fish. New recipe of the year. Sprite. We got the Sprite. Can I get some soy sauce?
Awi akili niya na wakarak pinulari ang yan yung PC.
Where's our onions?
Onion? It's probably somewhere.
Try go. Bigyan mo onion pan.
Wait, go off from me to
Uy na puno sa tenor karang cooler.
one from me to
Hapon kaya cooler rin kayo. Water kasi na.
Okay. Mix it. Soy sauce. And then special recipe of the fish.
Pwede change ko sa
And then
yum!
yum. I'm kidding. This is vinegar. I put vinegar in this to save space. Metrava?
At kara siya kisyo in the United States of
Tagara, kakatuwa kara. Kakacho,
someone.
katuwa kara viewers kasa siwi tayara gawa cho David Senru.
I believe in this one.
Sashimi.
Watu siya dinar petali. Dai petali.
Nuhatiwa, Jackie. And then Jenny is on the lime, cutting the lime. Everyone has their own station too, and their own specific tasks and responsibilities to take care of. So that's.
And you have your own tax too. That's too.
Yep. Kirke, John, Ray Sashimi, Ray Davis. Yeah, dishwasher. John, marinade. This is a busy kitchen. Crowded, very crowded, and busy kitchen. Very busy kitchen. Sakariaran yolayan. Taking pot. Teta suka.
Check ini kita nak kasih pipet. Ini kita ngangi.
Metera kavira leng.
Moriok. Tapiok. Oh, give it to.
Tapiok.
Thank you. Like ini Danian.
Yuki. Kakar. Tuh. M3E. Ya. Ya, asal como boga.
Sashimi with Sprite. And beauty.
That needed recipe.
Para cilantro.
Iya.
Ah, wari eruption.
Lo pagare so remix ngang ipo mate. Sio ani na pito ferri ngang ya. Arun. Barun. Ok, narun.
Ai pesa na pruebas canaris. Tío, como sample.
You can't good.
Excuse me.
Here we go. सबका बात kiri sashi. And I'm still waiting to sample this one. Ooh, that's looking good.
Looking good. Come and try.
Happy, yeah. Yep. Yeah, sasati.
Yan.
What?
Iya usah friendly teh suka cake.
That's good. Yeah, but yeah, get kitchen epic.
Yeah, well, suk.
Oh, yep, put it up. Suku meeting.
Sukurut.
Sukurut. Yeah. Ya, suapan dia pasti pasal duri. Okay, let's. This is
That's how you
Sia's
make
recipe right here.
chapsuri.
Ooh.
And the okka is already in the cooler.
Wait, you already made the.
Didi already tried.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sabi siyang kerabu.
Wait, kapan mirare ke iko?
Apa ya ini? Sukulet.
Okay.
Oh iya puasa.
Okay, this is for mommy.
Awes Ari ini.
Oh, yeah, right.
Sudah tanya apa?
Which one? Okay, what are you and mommy? And mommy. Oh. Okay.
Apa reaksi puasa sini?
Yeah. Okay, Jermaine is eating ice cream. Jermaine always wants ice cream.
Wow, that is a big cone.
Okay, now I think I want ice cream.
Okay.
Maybe, just a little bit. Just a warning. You guys are.
Puangnya siya ka pumato. Ha? Apa? Ya ibu.
Juga basa-basa boy. Cook out. Epic. What a kitchen epic. Juga basa-basa. Show it. Let's see what these guys are cooking. All right, we got some barbecue. Okay. And then a little further up, those are the fish. Ooh, ratsawararapa. Okay, yep, good. Good away. Another good away. Ifa. Yeah. Yo chegue por chegue che. Pura. Here chef. Jackie, Chris, and Babe. Okay. Oh yeah, get it up, okay. Get me to cup. Even powder anti-rice. We car for our pick. Oh! Agak. That's the way we cook the fish, the head. Cook them really thoroughly, all the way. Burn it. Burn it so you can burn the fat. Because if you cook it the way we cook it in Chuk, the tuna from Chuk, Hawaii, that's not gonna work. Because this guy, iwi, that's the fat right there. The eyes, look at that eye right there. If you eat the eye, you need to make sure it's cooked all the way. Like really burn it. See, it's good when it's burned because that's the only way you can eat it. Oh, it's so fat. Oh yeah. You're busy. Maybe she's busy.
We're done with fishing chiraching. Chufangan. Nari weekend. Kirisongeri samat skot feritan. Nerisit kids. Nitoroto. I'm Murikichato. Siapa nonno much nori reri. Renchek. Arwe chantong. Aparato fichi. Inesiari tumor. Norko fanso tori kerai.
You never use it.
Ko te pua whia tūngeri, e wen mea wen minoa parari a mona te wheritan. Ei, weekend, a keiwin, re aratskei, mei wor, res. Iei, si bue. Si bue i wonga, si bue, geri e me samatskei bu isan, tuwar whia tūn, aratskei bu pari atiki. E upa geri, samatsei, senior pastor bue. Kusi rari fansur bue yatek kusi pure mo bue fansun
Eri at sibokam kiliso rom turing eri kam fansun we tieti for so what's part sabuerari kitikam tori I will fish real saburat feyet rerat murimat satu war ko kusi para fichu but fichu geri even memet me fang the resource, but a few cheats or part for our agriculture. Yeah, it's Yodek, that's the one. Very sisa. Yodek, no, then she's a Samsung.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're at Westport. What, day one? But we got here yesterday, but our first full day here in Westport. We got our wonderful chefs that made us food. We have food over here. We just got back from swimming, so I'm tired. So, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in a little bit. Peace out. And Stan.
What's up, guys?
You're about to eat. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right.
Okay.
So we got this. We got the rice. Okay. All right. And then we got the potato salad. We got the suku soup. Ooh. Ooh, all the starchy. Ooh. We got the banana, and then we got. Yep. Sashimi. Another sashimi. Oka. That's the oka. Okay. And then I got barbecue. And then I got fish, fried fish, and then got my fried fish, and then more fish, and then barbecue, and then that's another. What do you call that? Sukiyaki. Okay. And then hamburger. Okay, hamburger. And then we got eating. Apu rera para chef.
Where's the fork?
Food.
So napkins?
Bari group rara but bari group we are now at the tinap. Bari farak. Sen med vi avsynge ko apartment. Ko apartment vi var går kvar. Yeah, for the attic. These are all the tents. And then bam, eggs.
Becomes the full potential of net goes after third value. When kete innigara kor nannavu oirave setanment kor togori orishira chogiri aapko ko ipuaking ai apau yuara boy aiti yennadan enanne sera pe ko pran chia yuai Ye Nios Amen Achi ay pure ya şukurla Eynle sergili kore Reson film wrong Buat apa bisa kita ke Raffer patti sai ni bu masap korban atsamma mo be te pace tawari di si purute tabangan. We are the will be decided but make sure that curb is sa pawai besi adu bu mukutukut. Purute feyanga nara adu bu come back again on mount ya isti. We are the now Berkasus usulkan kiner spike meror fidu sokobadu mitori siuli itu spike parabin koi karne mau lagi bagat buya orga afbore skauta kobra ya ifal tu karna naru ne bagat ya to ya gir tu karna naru na bagat yorato ya chasidi necer fanel kursus kun berbaik beti ngerasa keras Masap kukurang. Ngerapa nutucak percap turukai. Karena tutucak pun lara. Ifak kita pas sekali. Ia tu lupa mau. Gambar cia terus. Boleh dah itu isuri. Kerja cia para pin orang-orang buat. Ifak ikut maru dulu bukan. Boleh pisakir mau. Dia Rajician san uber. Vi ledger farkas igar for coach meche one. Pure pupperari metats. Kisire siga ketiras gesap meche resar bu akirasa saru bu. Bun meke yai arkar vital organs. Iga bu giras jabe tekan. Yue of course abutirar bunara. Iga fit apa. Ikaruni pneumonia once every 2 years, sometimes once a year. Bunorai kalang sibe mayore kiras ni tam japo reda popular inches. Rakat pilang nafsa si kertak. Jar ri becen pneumonia karang ni. Marang.